Thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. I've been trading for over 3.5 years now. And what I do in my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action. And I also give you guys any trading ideas or trading opportunities, especially trading concepts that I am really focusing on either by today or any trading concepts from last week, which has carried on to today. All of those updates you guys will be getting into today's video, but don't worry, it won't be a very long one. Considering I am live streaming a bit late today, I do apologize. I was cooking a bit late, so I do apologize for that. Nevertheless, there are still certain opportunities that are happening in the market and also some that are about to happen in the market. Okay, so if that's interesting, guys, sit back, relax. Let's get into today's session. Okay, so starting off with CADJPY. So this one you guys knew lah. Okay, last week we highlighted this overall momentum, this overall move. We had a trend line liquidity. We thought there were certain zones, there were certain zones in this level which we were kind of predicting for price to jump back, okay, to there and then continue to move higher. That didn't happen. Price went lower, 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 all the way to this zone, and then we start to show some momentum and interest to move all the way towards the upside. So overall, our prediction is accurate, traders. It was beautiful. This trade is really such a beautiful trade. Market came to the zone, market respected this level, and market pushed all the way towards the upside, taking out certain forms of liquidity in this trend line. Okay, so these liquidities have been taken out. These liquidities definitely has been taken out. This one almost, yeah, almost. Okay, then we have another few more, and also our ultimate target. But like I said last week, if you guys tune into last week's live stream video, I highlighted that for this week, if market starts to move up finally, because last week overall we're moving down, this ultimate target will no longer be an ultimate target. Okay, you guys can watch the last week's live stream on Friday. I mentioned this. This ultimate target will essentially be the very first target of this week, so we can focus on more potential buying opportunities even higher if bulls are adamant to continue moving price up. Okay, so with that being said, just want to highlight to you guys something we spoke about last week. Can you see how it play out with patience? So basically, it's just patience. Okay, last week we could have entered, but we didn't, because why? You never respect the zone. You never do certain things we would like to see in the zone. Hence, we chose to stay away. Okay, so that's for CADJPY. Euro JPY. Okay, so this one I am anticipating for a buying opportunity. We are very close by the target level. We have two zones here. Okay, so primarily I am focusing by wanting to see price come down, okay, either to this zone and then show me bullish momentum move towards the upside. If that does not happen, then I will just stay away, considering we are very close by the targets already. If it comes to this level and still bulls are interested, you know what, I may enter this, because this is a very good risk to reward, an amazing risk to reward. So this is definitely something I am focusing on, but I will be waiting to see if price comes inside the zone or not. Nevertheless, overall for Euro GPY, I'm focusing on buys. Gold, I want to just highlight to you guys last week. If you watched the live stream, then you watched it lah. Then I hope you guys were able to capitalize on it. I think I didn't paste it. I took a screenshot. Yeah, never mind. I took a screenshot on my phone, so let me show you. I thought I pasted. Maybe I never control V. Okay, wait. Let me show you guys. Yes, last week. Okay, for those that are new, hello. Thank you so much for joining. We predicted for a buying opportunity for gold. This is what happened. I woke up today and I saw this. So essentially, our prediction last week played out today during Monday. So all of those targets have been taken out. I'll be making a video about it also, so you guys can watch more clearer in the sense of what we spoke about. Okay, and then how is my screenshot related to what we spoke about, and many more stuff. So stay tuned. If you guys have not subscribed yet, do consider subscribing. We have many more amazing and wonderful things coming up. Okay. So gold overall, I'm still focusing on buys. Definitely, this is a new target that I set, but I'm not seeing any entry opportunities for me as of now. That's why I'm still staying away from gold. Overall, nevertheless, I'm focusing on buys. Euro NZD, and this is another buying opportunity. Okay, this is a very good bullish opportunity. Price came inside this level, and now we are showing the certain form of respect whereby we are interested to move away from this direction. Okay, I am interested to enter this trading opportunity. So later I will be reanalyzing the market and looking for potential entries. Okay, this is what I mean, traders. When I draw this zone, it does not mean I enter there. I will enter when I see certain things happen, which is related to respect. Okay, if there's no respect in the market for these zones that I'm able to identify, I also will stay away from the market. I only react when the market does the same. Euro GBP. Okay, so Euro GBP. Why don't have any trading? Oh yeah, okay. Because this one, I am overall bullish, but I'm waiting for alignment. So what does that mean is, even though we see this moving downwards, right? Trend is moving down. Actually, the bigger picture, we are more bullish for now. For now, that can change tomorrow. It can change the day after. But for now, we are bullish. So I'm waiting for certain time frames to also shift that idea, that criteria, if you will, to a bullish momentum or bullish move towards the upside, then I'm interested to enter for buy. So right now I'm not doing anything. I'm just highlighting to you guys this is a very good opportunity, but we need to wait for alignment. We have a few more, I think, like that. Okay, this is the same thing. There is a zone here. Okay, there is a zone here, but this is not a zone that I am interested to enter or anything, because same thing. This one I'm overall bearish, but I'm waiting for alignment. Even though we start to see move towards the downside, but if there's no alignment in certain time frames, then I'm not interested in this trade as well. Why I draw this zone is because I want to understand where will price show some form of reaction, some form of something to happen. Hi sir, happy Monday. Everybody get ready for 11. Yeah. Tomorrow is 11 sales. Happy Monday. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Hi teacher. Hello. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Okay. So I just why I draw this zone. This is not a zone that is very significant or anything to me. I just saw it there and I understood that this move up overall, we will need to have a area or a place where price will start to slow down and potentially shift down. Since the overall picture is moving down for now, that can change throughout this week. Let's see, but for now, overall is moving down. So this is the zone. That's why I drew it. I'm not doing anything because why? The alignment is not yet there. If you realize, we never had an issue to move up. When we reach this level, we slowed down, almost like creating a sideway. But I hope no lah. I hope no sideway. I hope we will have more opportunities this week. So that's for Euro USD. Overall, I'm focusing on sales, but not yet. USD JPY. Okay, this one is a very good bullish opportunity. Essentially, I'm waiting for zone. This one I drew it this morning. Okay, when because I woke up quite early today, but there was no zone. Price just kept on going up, and then take out the first target already. So this target I removed. I do have two more targets here, but unfortunately, I do not have a single zone. Okay, I do have one, but it's crazy big. Okay, I'll show you. Too big for my liking lah. Okay, it's a zone. Okay, it follows the criteria, but too big. So I might stay away unless I found another smaller zone. Nice haircut. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I just got it today. New week, new opportunity. Definitely. New week, more opportunities. So I won't highlight this zone, even though there is a zone there, because it's again, like I said, too big, too wide. But my overall bias is towards the upside. Hopefully I will be able to find a much more smaller and more controllable zone in the sense of how much price action could potentially move, and then I may focus on entering this market for USD JPY. Okay, last but not least, USD CAD. So this is overall I am bullish. I'm waiting for alignment. Okay, see the same thing, potential zone to cost shift, but that didn't happen. So why? You might say Baguna is respecting the zone, right? Yes, but for me personally, I've because my zone is not order blocks, my zone is not support resistance. It's something very specific to the way how I trade. So for me, my zones cannot be pierced through. So basically, poke. If you see the candle wick poke, okay, this zone level, for me, this zone is already invalid. Okay, so I have to remove it. I will be waiting for a brand new zone to populate. But overall, I am still bullish for USD CAD. I'm just waiting for that opportunity for potential buying model. But right now, nothing yet. Since why? Because why? The zone got pierced. Okay, so that's it for the forex side. I went through all of these traders. Okay, so I didn't see as much of a clear sign or clear directional bias. So that's why I'm not going to be sharing with them. Sorry, sharing them with you today. Like I said last week, I feel that when I start to share lesser, okay, for those especially that are new, you guys might find it a lot more easier to follow through. Okay, but again, if you guys feel like, no man, I just want you to share everything, all of this, almost 20 pairs here, what is going on? Okay, fine. You just let me know, and then I can do it as well. Okay, but for now, I'm just looking out for you guys that may be struggling in the sense of understanding these concepts. Okay, why we say buys, why we say sells, which one is buying, which one is selling. Okay, why we focusing. If it too much, that's why I'm a bit worried. But you guys let me know lah. You guys know yourself how pro you all are, right? I'm pretty sure you're very pro lah. Y'all can let me know. Nevertheless, these are all the opportunities that I'm anticipating for today, this week so far. CAD focusing on buys. Euro JPY, I'm focusing on buys. Gold already went to all the targets for buys. Euro NZD, I'm focusing on buys. Euro GBP, I'm focusing on buys, but I'm waiting for alignment. Euro USD, I'm focusing on sells, same thing, waiting for alignment. USD JPY, overall focusing on buys, waiting for zone. USD CAD, overall, I'm focusing on buys as well, waiting for alignment. Okay, so let's jump right into crypto quickly because already 10 already. Okay, so crypto a little bit slow lah. Actually, I was anticipating to enter this trading opportunity for ETH because everything looked very good. Okay, this is a very good bullish opportunity based on what price action is showing me. But price suddenly start to very, very, very slow down. Okay, price really slowed down from how it was moving towards this area here. If I say zoom out, see from here, okay, you see quite aggressively we kept moving all the way towards this level, but when we reach here we start to slow down. So this trade may take some time, but it will depend if price poke this level or not. If that happens, I'm not interested in this trading opportunity. Overall, I'm focusing on buys for ETH. Okay, Dogecoin. Dogecoin, same thing. I'm overall focusing on buys as well. So if you can see price come inside this level already, right? Awesome. But I'm not seeing any form of rejection, any strong form of reaction towards the directional bias that I am predicting, which is I believe it's going to go up, but I'm not seeing that reaction. Hence, I will be staying away for now, but definitely very focused on Dogecoin as well. Last but not least, BTC. Okay, this one is a bearish opportunity, but I'm waiting for a zone. Okay, so as of now, I'm not seeing much of a bearish opportunity align with price. I see mostly price just moving up, but the bigger picture was showing me that bears are present. Okay, if we go to Dogecoin, who is present? Bulls. If we go to ETH, who is present? Bulls. But BTC is bears. This is why I mean, if you guys want to enter for crypto side, never enter BTC. Buy means crypto just put ETH just put buy, Dogecoin just put buy. Most of the time they move a line, but not all the time, traders. Okay. I think Monday usually the market will move slightly so across market. Yes, correct. The past 2 weeks we had beautiful opportunities. Like even today, so we had opportunities. Like for example, CAD this is a good opportunity. Euro JPY is also a good opportunity. Um, yeah, Euro NZD is also a good opportunity. So there are some, but definitely slow. But for crypto, will it also follow like how currency market move? No, a very good question. If any of you guys also have this question, crypto never moves same like currency pair. Crypto is a lot more aggressive. Why I say aggressive is not because they have bigger moves. There's no such thing as a bigger move. If you put a very impactful news event for currency pair, you will see the move is insane, much more bigger than crypto. Crypto maybe won't even move also because crypto is not affected by the currency news a lot. Some yes, but not a lot. So why I say aggressive is because even on weekends also crypto can move quite strongly. So that is what I mean when I say aggressive. Okay. So definitely not the same. They do move different. Crypto moves a lot more aggressive, but not in the sense of the candle, in the sense of how price action actually populates. So that's my point of view and opinion lah. Crypto, very good question. Okay, traders. So I want to end the live stream here. I want to focus on potential entry opportunities for Euro NZD because everything is looking good so far. Okay, but definitely I need to do my own personal analysis, my own personal trading strategy, and understand if there's an entry or not for this. Okay, then I will choose to enter this opportunity. Nevertheless, I will update you guys tomorrow. Okay, on how the trade play out. If it went good, awesome. If it went bad, also awesome. We can learn together tomorrow. Okay, traders. If you guys would like to learn from me how I do out my analysis, how I understand the market, and so on, especially my strategy, I do have my own personal 6-week trading course. You can find the link in the description below, whereby you can just WhatsApp me to find out more details about the course. Essentially, you don't have to have any experience in trading. It does not matter. But within 6 week time, whatever I do in my live streams, all of my call outs that I share, you guys will be able to do the same thing because you will learn the most important aspect, in my opinion, is understanding where are bulls and where are bears. When you understand where are bulls and where are bears, your mind is clear because you will only focus on one direction. Either I should only focus on buys, only focus on sales. I said sorry, I'm dead. No worries, why? No need to be sorry. Thank you so much for joining. So I will be ending the live stream here, traders. Again, I want to really focus on this trading opportunity. So I'll update you guys tomorrow, okay, on how it plays out if I enter. Okay, traders. So thank you again, once again, everyone, for joining. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll catch you all in the very next live stream. Stay safe, traders. Very good night. Goodbye, guys.